Hello friends, if you are willing to make a great portfolio website and looking for a wonderful WordPress theme for that, your search ends here. I have a very beautiful creative portfolio WordPress theme in this video called Billey, and the Billey is the really creative and great looking portfolio WordPress theme which comes with 20 plus ready to go demo home pages, 26 impressive pre-made portfolio layouts, and 85 useful custom widgets and shortcode. And it is made with the Elementor page builder, also supports to WooCommerce, and sketch files include in the purchase. So if here are some home pages layouts, I will show you the demo website as well. So your requirement can match any of the following: so designing freelance, digital incentives, film production, digital agency, press agency, travel agency, cosmetics launch, e-marketing strategies, digital studio, portfolio exhibition, inspirational creations, modern branding, essential, lifestyle blogs, freelancing projects, creative agency, fashion boutique, business, parallel scroll showcase, graphic solution, charity, and RTL. So these are the demo home pages available, and I believe one of these will definitely match your requirements. And I am showing you two websites made with the Billey. This is portfolio website, of course, and you can see the stunning look of the Billey portfolio WordPress theme, and it is really good. And this is another one, and you can see the hover effect. Actually, it is making the site wonderful and giving a wonderful impression as well. So I am adding the link of my website where you can get this Billey theme along with the hosting plan if you need that, and if you don't, you can take only the theme that is available there. And in this video we are going to install Billey WordPress theme and also import the demo content for any one of these websites and preview the theme option and customization options as well. And you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know the theme which you are going to select for your website having what feature. So you should know the well available feature at your theme before you make any buying decision. So this video fulfills this requirement, and let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I have the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got licensing, the Billey main theme file, child theme file, Billey documents, and some plugin set. Let us see what plugins we got in the bundle. And this is the Elementor Pro, Insight Core, and Revolution slider. This is useless, so I'll delete this. Okay, so Elementor Pro is included in the theme pack. It is really very important to know. And Insight Core has been given. Revolution slider in latest version is available with this theme. So all is bundle for you, and you can use all such things. So let us begin the installation. For that we have to go in the themes section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose Billey .zip with version, of course, And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly to your WP content themes folder, and I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I will be able to show you the theme file size, and the theme file size is just 14.49 MB in size. So we can consider is a well optimized WordPress theme. As I have seen, the well optimized theme consists of 15 to 20 MB in size, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Billey folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files. Now we can delete the zip one. We have already extracted it. Okay, so I must tell you, both activities of uploading the theme, I mean either directly at WP content themes folder on your server or through this WordPress interface, both activities are same, so don't get confused. You can choose anyone for uploading the theme, and don't replicate the process. You have to upload theme using any of these interface. And since we have uploaded the theme, we can go back to the theme section, and now we have Billey as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Billey version 1.5.2 by Theme Move, and I will tell something about the developers. So Billey is creative portfolio agency Elementor WordPress theme, and the theme has been developed by the Theme Move, and they are power elite authors. They actually make wonderful WordPress theme, and the theme was developed in last year only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So you can consider this theme as updated for the latest version of WordPress. So it is updated and modified according to the new trends of technology, and this is why it has been brought on this channel for you. And now let us proceed towards the installation. This is Billey version 1.5.2, the ultimate multi-purpose creative WordPress theme, and we can activate it. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins for using this theme. Let us check what are the list of plugins. So 3 plugins are required, as these three plugins already bundled in the theme pack itself, and it is also available for install through this interface, and rest are recommended, but I will install all the plugins for you as I need to showcase all the features of this theme. You can skip to install any of the recommended plugins. For an example, if you are not in plan for making an e-commerce website, you can skip to install the WooCommerce and rest of WooCommerce associate plugins, and don't install those plugins which you are not going to actually use. It will definitely reduce the load of your installation, and it ultimately makes your websites fast. So only use those plugins which you are going to actually use. But I am installing all, and I am choosing to install all plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any installation error. And if you are ordering the theme along with the hosting plan at WP Themes website, you shall be definitely getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen, and you can see all the plugins has been installed and activated in just one go and in just few seconds. So we are fine to click on the dashboard now. Let us check whether it needs any further information, like WooCommerce asks for address and rest of information. Yes, it is redirecting to that page, and I am just putting some sample lines. You should put the original as applicable for you and complete the WooCommerce installation. And this is necessary part, however it can be skipped at this stage, but I always show the best process of installation. This is why I am showing you. And you can skip these additional plugins to install. It is not required in fact for the timing. And one important thing is here, so you have to choose Billey continue with my active theme on this screen, and you can skip the jetpack. And now the WooCommerce installation is also complete, and we have installed the themes and all set of plugins which was recommended and required. So this is the basic core look of Billey WordPress theme, and this is the basic look, and you can start developing your website scratch from here as well. I mean without any demo website, but it would be quite difficult as I assume for you. So better to have a demo website at this installation and start editing the content as per your requirement and match. So at this stage we are going to import the demo content, like to make website like any of these. So 22 options are here, and now I am looking for the demo option, and these are the only alerts, so it is not required. Okay, so we are fine to search the demo importer option, and this is the Insight Core tab, and there is an option. I'll show you everything what we got additional in this WordPress installation after installing this theme. And first let us complete the installation with the demo, and there is an option called import under Insight Core tab, and now we have all the options available to import this demo: Billey version 1.3.0, Billey version 1.4.0, and since we have installed the latest version of Billey, that is 1.4.0, so we will import this one. So I am simply clicking on import this demo Billey version 1.4.0, and it is saying it is importing, and the importer is working, and the screen is saying everything. And now we have to wait on this screen only. We cannot leave or refresh this screen until the demo import process gets complete. So your due patience is required on this screen. Let the process to be completed, and remember it may take up to 10 minutes depending upon your internet speed, and as it gets connected to developer server as well, and it downloads all the media contents and necessary files, so time is required here. So don't be in haste at this screen. It is going to take a certain time and you have to wait here, and you will finally reach on this screen once the demo import gets completed. And in fact I clicked the demo import twice, so it was not going through in the first try. So this both has been imported and it may be creating a replicate data, but let us check our website how it looks with the demo content, and we will proceed accordingly. Okay, so website is here and it is complete, and this is the same landing page as we seen, and all images has either not been provided by the developer itself, or there is something which the demo importer skipped, but all the parts are here only, and it is going to, okay, so it is just a link and landing page. So let us check what pages we got in the demo content. So website is here and we can choose any home page as our pages. So let us check what pages. Okay, so wonderful, it is showing published 176. In fact it is half of it, so you can say the 85 or 80 like that 85 pages are here. So all are twice because I just clicked the demo import button twice, but yes, pages are available, and we can check the about us page. In fact, okay, so about us page is here, but since I am saying not all images has been provided in the demo, so of course you can use your own images, or if just in case you want to use the demo images itself, so you can use these images. However, it can be a copyright issue, but you can use this image just by saving that image and put it on the page as you want. You save image as, and from take it from the demo actual demo website, and whatever you the home page you are choosing. So all the pages are here, so it is nothing to worry. Structure is there and you can use any page as your home page, and I'll go to the home pages. In fact, so however it is not a complete success of importing the demo content, but yes, it will work because images does not matter. So finally we are going to use our own images, so just for images we cannot reject or downgrade this theme, because images it is important, but demo images are not so important. So I am going back to the all pages, and yes, so let us check the home. We can check if what home we got. Okay, so it is not showing parent page blog, and so parent page business home pages are here. So cosmetic launch, I'm randomly clicking on cosmetic launch home page, and yes, it is here, but as it was saying, so we need to install the regenerate thumbnail to generate all the images. And okay, so structure is here and just this main image, so you can say the slider image has not been provided, but it does not matter. So you are finally going to use your own image. I am repeating. So now since we have completed the installation and the outcome website is here, all the pages are here, mostly media files are here, and some media files may not been provided by the developer itself. So we completed the installation with this website. This is the landing page and it is loading up in fact. Meanwhile, this is the landing page. Okay, so it is already preloaded. Okay, this is the landing page what we installed, and now I'll show you the theme options and the rest of options what we got in this installation. So inside core is additional which we got in the installation, and okay, fine, so everything is good here, and we can move to customize. Okay, okay, so it is connected to the WordPress default customizer, and something is not good with this theme, I assume, and I never hide anything. What I am facing is just at your screen, but yes, theme is here and installation is actually complete. Okay, so it got loaded, I'm sorry. So it is working in fact. Okay, I'm coming back to the same screen again. So it is taking time in fact. Okay, so it got loaded and let us check what is here, and site layout and background is here. Okay, so controls has been given in the customizer option. Colors, okay, so we can control the colors. Typography, okay, so font family can be chosen here. Top bar, header, so header options, multiple header options are here. Okay, good. Logo, navigation, page title and breadcrumbs, sidebar, pages, blog, portfolio, shop, social network, social sharing, search and pop-up search, 404, preloader, advanced, notices, performance, menus, site identity, widgets, homepage settings, WooCommerce, additional CSS, additional JSS. So there are many options available for controlling the website, and you can handle the complete website itself. So okay, and the rest of things are as common in WordPress. WP Clever is new, but I don't know what is this. Instagram feed is new, and rest of things are common as in WordPress. So I believe I have shown you the sufficient screens about this theme. So it is good, and the outcome website is here. You might have some questions regarding this theme, so don't hesitate in writing in the comment section of this video, and you can also get in direct touch with me by following the link given in the description of this video, and you can also get this theme there. So I believe you are already a regular viewer of this channel, and you have already subscribed this. If not, please subscribe. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.